Understanding your competitors isn't just about knowing who else is out there. It's about uncovering what's missing and where you can stand out. Competitor research and gap analysis are critical tools in building an MVP that doesn't just copy what exists, but delivers something better, smarter, or more focused. Start with a broad sweep. Identify both direct competitors, those offering similar solutions to the same audience, and indirect ones who might solve the same problem in a different way. Use search engines, app stores, review platforms, and social media to uncover who's already in the space. Look beyond the biggest names. Smaller niche players can offer insight too. Once you've mapped the landscape, go deep. Visit your competitors' websites, try their products, and sign up for their newsletters. Pay attention to their messaging. What do they emphasize? What's their unique selling point? How are they positioning themselves in the market? Reviews are a gold mine. What do users love about their product? More importantly, what do they complain about? Look for patterns in negative reviews. Those often point directly to gaps in the user experience or unmet needs. These are opportunities for you. Use tools like SWOT analysis to break down each competitor's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths show what you're up against. Weaknesses are areas where you can differentiate. Opportunities hint at what's missing in the market. And threats help you prepare for what could go wrong if you enter this space. One of the most powerful parts of competitor research is positioning. Imagine the market as a map. Where is each competitor placed? Are they targeting budget users or premium customers? Are they focused on speed, simplicity, personalization, or power? Now ask yourself, where are the open spaces? What positioning hasn't been claimed? That's where your gap analysis comes in. Gap analysis is all about finding those overlooked needs, underserved audiences, or underwhelming experiences. It's where you spot the difference between what exists and what users actually want. For example, maybe every competitor offers advanced features, but none are intuitive for beginners. That's a gap. Or maybe they all work great on desktop, but not on mobile. Another gap. You can also analyze their customer journey. Is there a long sign-up process, confusing onboarding, expensive pricing? These pain points are chances to differentiate. You're not just solving the same problem, they are. You're solving it better. Don't stop at the product. Study their marketing. How do they reach users? What tone do they use? What channels work for them? If all competitors rely on paid ads, maybe you find a gap in content, community, or partnerships. If they focus on features, maybe you lead with outcomes. And remember, gaps aren't always obvious. Sometimes the biggest opportunity lies in combining existing features in a new way or targeting a slightly different audience. Uber didn't invent car rides. Spotify didn't invent music. But they saw gaps in convenience, personalization, and user experience, and filled them brilliantly. The goal of competitor research and gap analysis is not to beat others at their game. It's to change the game. You want to build something that users feel is built just for them. Not another copycat, but a product that truly stands out. So take your time, go deep, and look for the cracks in the market. That's where the light gets in, and that's where your MVP can shine.